Hello everyone and welcome to MoJo's Fashion. In today's video I will be showing you how I turn the basic skirt pattern into an A-line skirt. That is very easy, very simple. Just stay tuned and I will get started. You can check how we drafted this main skirt block on the description box. I will leave the links for those videos down there in the description box. So today I will show you how I turned this piece of pattern into an A-line skirt. This is very easy, very simple skirt. All you have to do after you draft the main skirt pattern is to cut between, split the front and the back. After slashing between these two, I removed the side line dart. Okay, I will slash this line, the front dart line. Okay, I will slash all the way from the bottom. Okay, from here all the way till the tip of the dart, the tip of the dart, in both sides, the front and in the back, same thing. I'll slash these lines just until the tip of the dart. Here how it looks like after we slash the line darts, okay, in both in the front and in the back piece. Okay, so all you have to do right now is to go into the dart legs, just close them and tape it. Okay, it will automatically open, okay, as you can see here. So this would distinguish this skirt from other skirts, that it has no darts. Okay, there will be no darts on the waistline and it will be wide, okay, at the bottom. It will be narrow top and wide at the bottom, as you can see here. Third step will be to to trace this pattern piece. Okay, all you have to do here is just to trace the pattern after you slash it open. Okay, after you slash and you close the dart, you just have to trace it all the way. And when you get to the bottom area here, okay, you still have to go this way and continuous line to this level. Okay, so this is the result. Let me show you here. So this is the final result. This is for the front. I will keep it on fold. Okay, what it should look like. Okay, so this is the front and we'll do exactly the same for the back. Back should not be on fold because there will be a seam line in the zipper area, okay, in the mid back. So you can just trace it, okay, again with the bottom open. You will just draw the same thing. Okay, don't forget to place this pattern piece, the grain line of the pattern piece. This is the grain line. It comes perpendicular to the floor. Okay, so you have to lie this pattern piece this way on the fabric lines, grain lines. Okay, the grain lines of the fabric will lie this way, so this should go with the grain lines. Okay, so eventually the result will be something like this. Okay, a skirt that has no waist darts, okay, and it will open automatically exactly the same measurement of the dart width. I will show you this. Okay, there will be difference in the result, okay, because some people have darts that is smaller than this. So if you close a smaller dart, the width down here will open, it will be small, you know, it will not open so much. But if the dart width is wide, so when you close it more, it will open more at the bottom. So it's a relation. This is the relation between the side, the waist dart and the opening on the skirt. So it will be very smooth Okay, you'll find that it comes tight all the way until the big hip and automatically open like that. Okay, open, flare like that. That was it for today's video. I hope you like it. Please consider subscribing and like. I will leave the links for my previous videos in the description box, and also will leave the link for my books down also in the description box. Please go and have a look. I will also receive your questions in the comment section. If you have any question, don't hesitate to share. I will try to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you next week.